Today's Sunday, July 23rd, and it's a little after 5 p.m. This is a chart review of Grab Holdings, ticker symbol GRAB. And as of Friday's closing price, the stock ended the week at $3.60. So real quick, this review's under the small trading account, which has less than $25,000. And as a result of that, this account does fall under the New York Stock Exchange Pattern Day Trader Rule, or PDT. And as a consequence, stocks and options are not receiving real-time data. As shown here, the data is delayed by 20 minutes. However, futures, future options, and Forex data is received real-time. So that's the quick caveat to this account. Now, going back to this review, this is the stock chart for Grab at the daily time frame. So each candlestick represents a day's worth of trading, and this is the last candlestick here that was recorded for July 21st. The red vertical dash lines represents monthly expiration Fridays for monthly option contracts. And the most recent expiration was past Friday, was July 21st. The upcoming expiration for option contracts is August 18th, which is identified by this vertical dash line. So going back 6 months, having identified the high price and low price as two specific anchor points to the Fibonacci retracement indicator, as a result of those, the Fibonacci retracement generated this layout. So the 61.8% or golden ratio is pegged to $3.18. So from this assessment, early June, there was a strong bounce off the $2.95% price level to the point that price ran all the way up to as high as $3.78 by July 13th. And since then, price has been having a difficult time breaking above 371 or staying above it. So there's been multiple touch points, multiple rejections, right? So even though there was a strong move to the upside, now there could be this consolidation phase for another leg higher for a retest of $4.03 heading into the August 18th expiration date. However, I'm anticipating that there could be a slight pullback to at least retesting 334 or the 50% fib level here. And my thesis is that having overlaid the regression channel, price appears to be respecting the resistance level, this purple band acting as resistance. So we have multiple touch points here where price is just getting rejected. Here's another series of rejections, and then the blue band is acting as support. So even though price does pierce it, or with some deviation, price is still ranging inside between the purple and the blue. The gray band is acting as both support and resistance. So here we see the gray acting as support, and then at this point here, the gray was acting as resistance, and then with conviction, price broke above the gray, and so forth. So that's how, again, from my perspective, that's how this pattern's been playing out since the breakout back here early June. So what's standing out to me to being bearish heading into August is that price is approaching this apex point right here. So if this gray band, the horizontal gray band, is acting as resistance, and right now, relative to where price is, this gray band, which is running up diagonally, is also acting as a strong support level. At some point, as price gets narrower and narrower heading into the apex, which is approximately August 3rd, I'm anticipating that the break could occur towards the downside, not to the upside. So I'm looking at August 3rd, August 4th as a catalyst where price could potentially start rolling over to retest either the 50% or the golden ratio heading into the middle of August. So what I'll do is just identify this area. I'm looking at most likely August 3rd. I don't think price is going to get all the way to the apex, to the pinnacle of this pennant. I think this breakdown could occur on or around August 3rd. So that's what this markup is. So this chart is now littered with lines, but that's why I try to break it up by these color-coded levels here. But anyway, I'm looking at August 3rd for a potential pullback heading into Expiration Friday. So again, I'm looking at 334 or 318 as an ideal landing spot for grab over the next 2-3 weeks. So for the purpose of time, I'll go ahead and pause it here. I'll pick it up. I'll do another update after Expiration Friday. And only time will tell, of course, which way. So we'll see if there is that second leg to the upside or price starting to roll over for a retest of sub 350 price level. So until that update, more to follow.